Welcome back to another episode of What the F***. And today on What the F***, where the F*** is the sun gone? The sun came, tickled the old nuts, and F*** left. Tease. But work must go on. So today, I'm going to do this finally, because yesterday that took priority, and whilst I do this, Kyle is getting wet. Changing a wet belt, that is, on a beautiful Ford Transit. You do like your Transits, don't you, lad?
Yeah.
He's a Transit man, Transit kind of guy.
White van, man.
White or vet. Ooh.
Oh, I love.
Alright, love.
Oh, I love.
Alright, love is doing a Transit van. But yeah, these Fords are notorious for the wet belt. Which idiot decided to put a rubber belt inside so it can get saturated with oil as opposed to just putting a chain?
More than likely, it was due to friction, to reduce friction, and the friction, obviously, emission laws get tighter every year. And I assume that it was done to reduce friction, which obviously betters the fuel economy, etc., etc. That's the reason why they do it. It's not a good idea. You've got to use special oil, stop the rubber belt from breaking down. But hey, they still break down. Oil and rubber, not the greatest. So you have a special oil which you have to use as well.
So in conclusion, whoever did it was a moron.
It's actually been done before, this.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is the van that you.
Oh, it's a different one.
It's a different one.
This one, so I think after a month of owning it, or 2 months of owning it, snapped.
No way.
So, yeah, bought the bill, it was done with it, but he's just doing it right now.
And the beauty is, you just take the headlight out, and there it is. You can get access to a lot of it from here. So yeah. So I am gonna. Kyle's getting on with that. That's gonna take a little while. Yeah, a hot minute, because we don't work full days. Yeah. So the way you have to do this is put the flywheel on, then you have to basically put all the clutch inside, put the gearbox on, then you have inspection plates just there and there. Now through them, you'll then tighten the clutch cover all the way around. You'll have to obviously turn the crank pulley here to obviously rotate the shaft, so that way we can get all the way around. So you nip them all up and then remove the gearbox, tighten them all up, slot the gearbox back on.
What was your dog?
And Fanny's your aunt, yeah. So I'm gonna get on with that, and Kyle's gonna carry on getting wet. I mean, getting the wet belt off. So yeah, I might actually set the camera up like here and do like a little lapse video, but we shall see. For now, we're gonna get on with some work. Yes, we do actually do work. We're gonna get on with some work, and yeah, and we'll be back. Plus, we can't play any music when we're filming, and it's boring as shit. So we're gonna blast some tunes, and we shall see you guys in a little while. Okay, so box is back on. What was up? That was. Yeah, you don't want to see how we put it back on either. Kyle's whizzing through this wet belt. So there is the belt. So what he's doing now is dropping the sump.
Remove the sump, remove the oil pump and the top. And then prep it all, clean everything up, change the wet belt for the sump, for the oil pump to the crank, and then basically put it all back together, time it up.
Job's a good un. So what I have to do now is basically, I'll show you guys, go through just the camera through this little inspection gap here. Hang on, let me just put a bit of light on for you. So yeah, through there, and basically tighten all of them bolts up, at least nip them up, so that then retake the gearbox back off again, tighten them up properly, and after that put the gearbox back on again and actually bolt the box back on properly. Once that's done, we need to change the cradle bushes because there's a lot of play in them there. It's supposed to have a little bit, but not like that. So we need to do them as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a Kyle special and get on the flow, and I'm gonna get this done. He's gonna carry on with getting that belt sorted, and then yeah, we'll let you know how far we got at the end of the day. So see you guys in a little while. Okay. So timing tool locked in, top end. Now he's just doing the lower end. Gearbox is off again, but all of them are tight now. Now we need to basically insert all of this into here. So we need to remove this plate, take that off, fit that one in, bolt all that, then the fork will go there, shift fork will go there, and yeah, so we're getting there. And that's a wrap for today. So everything's in. Tomorrow just got to put the shift fork in, clutch is on, Kyle's on the flow, wet belt's on, reassembly time. I'd say pretty successful day. So with that being said, catch you guys on the next one.